Hello and welcome back to Latinx Montessori. My name is Orlando, and in this video I am going to walk you step by step on how to calculate the cost of cloth diapers and disposable diapers using a simple spreadsheet that I created. I know this is a very hot topic and you want to know if you really save money using cloth diapers. And the answer is yes, you can save about $400 in the first year, well over $1,000 in the second year, and even more if you have more than one child. But I want you to see it for yourself. You can download my free and simple diaper cost calculator. The link is in the description below. We are going to calculate the cost, the initial investment of cloth diapers, and compare the long-term savings against disposable diapers. Now for these calculations, I am assuming you are familiar with cloth diapers. If not, I highly suggest you watch this video first where I cover cloth diapers in details. So just click in the link up here. But before we proceed, I would appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an episode. And with that said, let's get started so you can see how much money you can keep in your pockets. Okay, go ahead and open this document by clicking on the link in the description of this video and make a copy. Again, I created this spreadsheet to be as simple as possible, and I also added a few notes just to help you use this spreadsheet. The first one is all you have to change are the values in blue cells. That's it. Everything else is going to be auto-populated. If you see any dashes on any of the cells, just leave those as they are. You don't have to do anything there. I also recommend a few cloth diaper brands that I highly like. One is Nikki's Diapers. I'm gonna open this. And Charlie Banana. I like those two brands. I like the quality of the cloth diapers, and they last pretty long. Over the last couple years, I haven't had to buy any new cloth diapers. Clothdiaper.com is also a good brand, and you can find various this is actually a website. They sell various brands, all of which are good quality as well. So I highly recommend any of these three websites to purchase cloth diapers. When it comes to disposable diapers, if you prefer an organic, environmentally friendly option, then Diaper, Healthy Baby, and Hello Bello are great choices. They do cost a little bit more compared to Huggies, Pampers, and some of the other generic brands, but the quality is great. Hello Bello, the price for Hello Bello is comparable to Huggies and Pampers, so that's probably a good option if you want to go that route. And by the way, these are affiliate links. That means that if you purchase any of these cloth or disposable diapers, we do get a small commission at no additional cost to you, but that only helps us to bring you more content just like this. So if you do use those links, we highly appreciate it. All right, so let's get started and begin crunching some numbers. First, I am going to calculate the cost of a few cloth diapers and then move on to disposable diapers. For cloth diaper type and brand, I will use Nikki's Diapers because it's a brand that I really like and I highly recommend. And I'll compare all-in-one and all-in-two cloth diapers. So let's begin with all-in-one. Changes per day. From experience, you can expect to change your baby at least 12 times a day. This is especially for newborns because they pee a lot and poop a lot, and it's just healthier to change their diapers more often. So I'll type in 12 changes per day. Number of diapers needed. I recommend you have at least 3 days worth of clean diapers. So 3 or 12 times 3 is 36 diapers. This is how many diapers I will need. Cost per diaper. Let's go to Nikki's Diapers and look for all-in-one cloth diapers. And I am just going to choose a random cloth diaper. Feel free to dig into details when you go over these calculations. But for this video, I'll just choose the cheapest option, which is, looks like it is clearance. I'll just go with this one here, $14.99. So let's type $14.99. And this is my initial investment for all-in-one cloth diapers. All-in-two, you can reuse the shell for all-in-two cloth diapers at least twice, so I'll need less quantity. I'll go with 6. This is a safe guess. Number of diapers needed, 6 times 3 is 18, so half of all-in-one cloth diapers. And the cost, so let's go look at the cost of all-in-two cloth diapers, and there's only one kind for Nikki's diapers, and it's $16.99. 16.99. That's it. So 305, almost half of all-in-one cloth diapers. Additional inserts. All-in-one cloth diapers have the insert built in, so I don't need any additional inserts. For all-in-two, I do need to purchase 3 days worth of inserts. So I will need my 36 inserts, and let's look for the cost of inserts. So let's go to cloth diapering, inserts, and daytime inserts. Again, I'll go for the cheapest option, which is $2.77. 2.77. Okay, so that is my initial investment in all-in-two cloth diapers, including the inserts. Additional covers, again, for these two types of cloth diapers, I don't need to buy any additional covers. You might need to for all-in-two cloth diapers. It's really up to you, but I think it's a safe guess to assume that you don't need any extra. So I'll just do 0 and 0, and same for all-in-two. All right, so no additional cover cost. And there it is. For month 1, I can expect to spend just over $539 in all-in-one cloth diapers and $405 in all-in-two cloth diapers. For year 2, because I can continue to reuse these cloth diapers, mainly because they are adjustable. I don't have to buy any additional cloth diapers. For year 2, again, I can continue to reuse these diapers, and because they are such great quality, they are going to last you quite a long time. And this is one of the best things about having cloth diapers. You can resell them and make a little bit of profit. 40% is a good amount. You can sell your cloth diapers for about 40% of the initial or original value. And this is how much money you can expect to make after you sell your cloth diapers. If you do have a second child or planning on having a second child, you can reuse those cloth diapers, assuming that your first child is potty trained, is not using diapers anymore. But if your first child is still using cloth diapers, then you might have to invest in new cloth diapers for your second child. Again, this is just an estimate. Things might change depending on your situation. Okay, this is it for cloth diapers. Let's move on to disposable diapers. For disposable diapers, I'll compare the cost of Hello Bello and Healthy Baby. Diaper is a good brand, but it's a little bit expensive for me, so I'll delete that. And by the way, you can enter any brand that you want to calculate the price for. Huggies, this is just a generic brand, still good diapers, very affordable. Hello Bello, I like the quality that is comparable with Healthy Baby, Diaper, The Honest Company, and some of those high-end brands, but the price is about the same as Huggies and Pampers. So this probably would be my best option here, Hello Bello. But we'll check the cost anyways. Changes per day. With disposable diapers, you can expect to change your baby less frequently, mainly because disposable diapers hold more urine or waste compared to cloth diapers. So you can change your baby every couple of pees, or when they start looking like an ant, with their big old behind that moves side to side when they walk. But I guess a good guess would be about 8 changes per day, 8 to 10. That's a good estimate. Let's scroll down in cost per box. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Actually, first let me open, I'll close these diaper tabs, and I will open Healthy Baby and Hello Bello, because I'll compare the cost of those two brands. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Let's scroll down to cost per box. Again, it gets a little bit tricky because The quantity or the cost of cloth diapers changes depending on the size. So for example, I'll buy this one time unless you want to enroll in auto ship. But for example, size 1 has 42 diapers in the box. Size 2 also has 42, size 3 40, size 4 36, and the quantity gets lower as the sizes go higher. But the price still remains the same. So that means that the cost per diaper will get more expensive as the size goes up. So the cost for cloth diapers is not going to be as accurate as, or sorry, disposable diapers will not be as accurate as cloth diapers. But if you want, you can take the average or just choose a number in the middle. So in this case, I'll go with size 3, which has 40 diapers, and it costs $30 per box. So cost per box is looking at Healthy Baby, $30, and it has, I said, 40 diapers. So average cost per diaper is 75 cents. So at 75 cents per day times 8 changes per day, I'll be spending about $180 just for the first month. Let's go look at Hello Bello. Click shop, and then diapering and diapers. So again, for Hello Bello, the price remains the same, but the quantity changes as the size of the diapers go up. So similarly, I'll choose a size in the middle, size 3, and the cost for size 3 is $8.99, and it has 21. Let's look for size 3. 25 diapers. All right, so $8.99 and 25 diapers. So the cost per box is $8.99. Has 20, what did I say? 25 diapers. Okay. And so the cost per diaper comes out to $36, which is a lot cheaper than Healthy Baby. Almost half, a little more than half. So for the first month, I can expect to spend $86 in disposable diapers. All right, so now let's look at year 1 totals. $1,035 for the first year, which is basically 86 times 12. And for Healthy Baby, $2,160. That is a lot of money in disposable diapers. And then for the second child, you can expect to spend almost about the same. And so that is going to double the cost of disposable diapers for a second kid, and even more if you have more than one child. Now let's look at savings. For these, you might have to change a few cells in this calculation. And so essentially it's taking one of the highest values in disposable diapers and subtracting the values in the cloth diapers. So let's go ahead and compare Hello Bello and all-in-one cloth diapers. And so you can save about $496, even more if you were to buy Healthy Baby. So let's change the cell to that one there. See, you would save over $16,000 in just the first year. So again, yes, you do save a lot of money if you switch to cloth diapers. Your initial investment is going to be a lot higher, but the long-term savings will definitely benefit your finances. Something I forgot to mention was the cost to wash cloth diapers. I left it blank because it's very minimal. Most likely you'll be washing cloth diapers with your regular clothes. But if you are interested in knowing how much money you can spend washing purely cloth diapers, then you can use this calculator. It's pretty straightforward. I will do it very quick just to give you an idea of how much money you can spend. First, select your washer type. I have a top loader number of percent of washes in water temperature. I usually wash in 50% warm, cold. Cold wash. I don't know if the temperature or of the cold water. I'll just leave it as not heated. Incoming water temperature, I have no idea. I'll just do 51 degrees. You know, again, this is just an estimate. I don't think you'll take the time to take the temperature of your water. Water heater type is electric. Dryer type, electric. I can probably spend 20 minutes drying cloth diapers. Cost of electricity, I think where I live is about 9 cents, more or less. Cost of water, that I'm not sure. I'll just leave it as default. Cost of detergent, if you really want to take the time and calculate the cost of your detergent per load, do so. I'm just going to take a guess and leave it at 20 cents. Loads per week. As I suggested, it's a good idea to have 3 days worth of clean cloth diapers. So that means I'll be washing cloth diapers every 3 days or 3 times per week. And this is my estimated cost per month, $8.65. 8.65. And I'll do the same for the other type of cloth diaper. And the cost to wash cloth diaper is going to be the same, $8.65. That's it. So the total investment goes up by a little bit, not a lot. You're still saving a lot of money with cloth diapers. All right, there it is, a simple tool that can help you see how much money you can save when you switch to cloth diapers. I hope it wasn't too complicated. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And before you leave, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And also make sure to watch these videos that will appear here shortly for more Montessori, parenting, and child development content. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.